We're into day 6 of the trial for Kyle Rittenhouse, the Illinois teenager charged with killing 2 people and wounding a third during violent protests in Kenosha last year after the police shooting of Jacob Blake. In addition to counts of intentional, reckless and attempted homicide, and reckless endangerment, and curfew violation, Rittenhouse, 18, is charged with possessing a firearm as a minor, a misdemeanor. More jurors are likely to hear from Kyle Rittenhouse in the second week of his homicide trial. Check below for updates as Journal Sentinel reporters and photographers cover the trial. You can also read about what happened on day 1, day 2, 3, 4 and 5 of the trial. The trial is expected to last at least 3 weeks. Defense, prosecution focused on Grosskreuz's gun during continued questioning Monday afternoon. Prosecutors tried to argue that Gage Grosskreuz did not present a threat to Rittenhouse even though he was holding a handgun. Defense attorneys tried to argue that Rittenhouse had no way of knowing Grosskreuz wouldn't fire his gun as he approached. Grosskreuz testified earlier that he put his hands in the air after Rittenhouse shot Anthony Huber. He saw Rittenhouse rear-rack his rifle, making them believe Rittenhouse wouldn't accept his surrender. Then, he said, he moved toward Rittenhouse. Under questioning, Grosskreuz acknowledged he had his gun in his hand as he approached, but that he was unintentionally pointing it at Rittenhouse. Defense attorney Corey Carafisi argued that nonverbal actions Grosskreuz took, such as moving toward Rittenhouse with a gun in his hand, would have made Rittenhouse feel threatened. The defense also focused on a signed police statement Grosskreuz gave the day after he was shot about his brief conversation with Rittenhouse. The conversation occurred after Rittenhouse had shot Joseph Rosenbaum and before he fired at Huber and Grosskreuz. In the statement, Grosskreuz reported that Rittenhouse had said something like he pulled a gun on me when asked if he shot somebody. Grosskreuz was live streaming on Facebook during the interaction.